Today we are dealing with clause concession or linking words that join two opposite ideas, such as although, though, even though. We can use any of these words to join two opposite ideas. Although, though, even though, they are the same in the meaning, function, and structure. After any of these words, we need a subject and verb. We need a clause, subject and verb. Let's have a look at this example here. We played well. We lost the match. So we have two opposite ideas, which is playing well and losing the match. Let's use any of these words, although, though, or even though. Although we played well, we lost the match. So as I start with the word although, we need a comma after the first clause. Although we played well, comma, we lost the match. Also, I can use the word although in the middle. We lost the match, although we played well. But this time we need no commas. Let's have a look at this example here. The exam was difficult. I did very well. Use although. Join these two sentences using the word although. I'll give you 5 seconds to think of the answer. Ready? The exam was difficult. I did very well. So, it can be, although the exam was difficult, I did very well. Or, I did very well, although the exam was difficult. Also, of the linking words that we use to join opposite ideas, in spite of and despite. In spite of and despite, they have the same meaning as although, though, even though. They have the same meaning and the same function, but the structure is different. After in spite of or despite, we need a noun or a gerund. A noun or a gerund. What's a gerund? A verb plus ing. Let's have a look at the same example we did before. We played well. We lost the match. So if I want to join these two sentences using in spite of or despite, I will use the verb ing after it. So it can be, in spite of playing well, we lost the match. And of course, as we use the linking words at the beginning, we need the comma after the first clause. In spite of playing well, comma, we lost the match. Also, we can use it in the middle. We lost the match in spite of playing well. Okay, let's look at this example here. Adam is very clever. He can't answer this question. We want to join these two sentences using the word despite. I give you 5 seconds to think of the answer. Ready? So Adam is very clever. He can't answer this question. So if we use despite, it can be, despite being clever, comma, Adam can't answer this question. Let's have a look at this exercise here. Soha works hard. She doesn't earn much money. We need to join these two sentences using although, and then we'll do it again using despite. I'll give you 10 seconds to think of the answers. Ready? So it can be, although Suha works hard, she doesn't earn much money. Using despite working hard, Suha doesn't earn much money. Thank you and goodbye. Today we are dealing with clause concession, or linking words that join two opposite ideas, such as although, though, even though. We can use any of these words to join two opposite ideas. Although, though, even though, they are the same in the meaning, function, and structure. After any of these